Alright, cool guys. So another section we're doing under this chapter is simplification of sets. So yeah, basically we're just gonna deal with sets and we're gonna go over 3 rules that y'all should remember always. Right, so here I'm just gonna use this black pen. When you have a set is basically what I just wrote here with a red pen, right? Something that is very important I would say is remember the number here is your degrees, and n is always greater than or equals to 2, right? Yeah, so if I just have square root of 3, you know that the number that I put there is what? The number that I put there is 2. But any number outside 2, we're gonna have to specify it, like this one here we'll put 3, or say you can put like even 20. You know, you could have a degree of 20. 20. Yes, which of course we know we learned that to simplify, let me use 20. If I have just that, I know the answer to this is gonna be, I mean, just without using the calculator, that's gonna be 1 over 20, right? So yeah, but let's look into some rules. The first one here is you have products of 2 sets. Note that you have the same degrees here. I think that's very important. Note that you have the same degrees. So if you have the same degrees, you're just gonna multiply your radicands, right? We multiply a and b, and we have it the product of a and b, which is ab. And yeah, that's the first law. The second law is quite the opposite. Yeah, I wish maybe I did start with this then went to this, but of course I can do it either way. If I start here, we have the same degree, but of course different radicands, and we are dividing. The answer is just gonna be dividing those radicands under the same, under the same radical sign with the same degree. And if we have the same radical sign, if we have one radical sign and a division inside, we can just break it up into what we have here, right? So I don't know how to further explain these rules, but just for me to say, learn the rules, and we will work with few examples and learn how to solve them or how to use these rules. I think this is the last one. So here you see that you have a radical sign under a radical sign, so basically what they are saying is that you just multiply your degrees. You multiply your degrees, there's your radicand and the product of your degrees right here. The only thing I can just say, guys, is learn these rules, memorize them if you have to, but yeah, just know them by heart, because in the exam you have to know them by heart to be able to solve these questions. Let's start solving the questions.